taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle maid with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Okay guys, ito yung mga recipe. Meron tayong flour, brown sugar, white sugar, baking powder, chocolate chip, salt, extra vanilla, egg and egg yolk, and meron tayong butter. So, ayan. Gagawa tayo ng cookies dough. Let's begin. Good afternoon from We Love Food World, guys. Gagawa pa ako ngayon ng cookies, chocolate chips. Ayan. Oh, it's look yummy and delicious. Okay, guys. Let's begin. Okay guys, let's go and begin. Okay guys. Okay, ito yung flour, yeah? Okay, ilagay natin yung butter first. Butter. Ayan. Lagay din natin yung egg, yolk. Paghalo-haloin lang natin siya. Just make together. Ayan. Lagay natin yung salt. Yung extra vanilla. Yung egg. Ayan. Sinap. Ayan. And dito, lagay natin yung dry sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, baking powder. Okay, ayan. Haluin natin, okay? Ayan. Guys. Ito, this is guys, lagyan na natin yung butter and egg and the flour, yeah? Look at that. Amazing. Hahaluin lang natin siya. Mix it. Ayan. Amazing. Okay. Okay, lagay natin yung chocolate chip, yeah. Wow. Hahaluin ko lang siya until everything is combined. Okay guys, look at this. Okay guys, look at this. Ganyan. guys, look at this. And then, press natin siya ng ganyan. Okay. Okay guys, look at this. Nice cookies. Amazing.
Yes. Why is like that?
Look at that, guys. Okay guys, look at my cookies. Look amazing and delicious. Sana pa nagustuhan nyo ang aking cookies. Chocolate chips. Amazing. Smell good, smell delicious. Good for your tea, coffee, for kids. Ayan, sarap. Sarap. I love it. Okay, please subscribe and like my recipe cookies, chocolate chips. Sana po nagustuhan niya. And thank you very much for you watching today. Have a good day. Thank you. And the kitchen we are fire. Thank you. Bye now. Love you all. Mwah. Okay guys, look at my cookies. Look amazing and delicious. Sana pa nagustuhan nyo ang aking cookies. Chocolate chips. Amazing. Smell good, smell delicious. Good for your tea, coffee, for kids. Ayan, sarap. Sarap. I love it. Okay, please subscribe and like my recipe cookies, chocolate chips. Sana po nagustuhan niya. And thank you very much for you watching today. Have a good day. Thank you. And the kitchen we are fire. Thank you. Bye now. Love you all.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food.